A member of the Roman Catholic Church will not marry a member of the faith church easily. A member of the faith church will not easily marry from the Jehovah's Witness society. When church forbids these two people from marrying themselves, they take another ungodly way to meet. The result is prostitution, which the church also forbids. But God has given in his natural law saying, "Thou shalt not commit adultery." The church has destroyed this good tradition of law which God has given to our fathers to keep. The Africans become confused and act like strangers on their own fatherland. We appeal to young men and women of Africa to unite and destroy the foreign religious custom which has misled Africa. The land is yours. God will not be angry with you. There is no marriage in heaven, according to the Jewish Bible. Do not permit the charm and mysticism of strangers to influence you. Do not expect your wife or husband to treat you as equally and lovingly as your father or your mother. Only 5% of husbands and 1% of wives can show such love.